Hi guys, today we're going to work on the letter I, and I is really important because I says two sounds. It says I, as in its own name, for ice cream and island. I also has a short sound and it says I, like in igloo or in. We're also going to talk about I because I is very special. It's a sight word and we use it when we're reading and writing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to write our letter I, and then we'll talk about how we use it as a sight word. So letter I. First thing we're going to do is get our handy dandy Play-Doh here. Oh look, hi Minnie. Minnie decided to join us tonight. We're gonna use our Play-Doh and it looks like we need 1, 2, 3 pieces of Play-Doh because we need 3 lines. We need 2 short lines, so I've got 2 short pieces of Play-Doh and then 1 longer piece of Play-Doh. So I'm gonna make the long line first. Oh, and there's Archie. We're going to roll it out so we have a nice long line. Okay, so here's our big line. And then we've got a little line here. And another little line. Whoops. I just wanted to scoot, not roll. Okay, so here is our other little line. So we're going to start with our cookie sheet here. And we're going to do a big line down, jump back up, little line across, jump to the bottom, little line across. That's your letter I. Another way we could practice that is we could get a salt tray out and smooth the salt out just a little bit. Start in the middle and we can do a big line down, jump back up, little line across to the top, jump to the bottom, little line across. Another way we could practice making letter I is with a popcorn tray. You could put oatmeal or rice or something else in it. I just got popcorn because that makes a fun sound. So we can start at the top and we can do a big line down, jump back up, little line across, jump to the bottom, little line across. Okay, Archie, are you going to take care of our popcorn for us? Okay, let's try writing our letter I. We're going to start on the hat line here, the green hat line at the top. And we're going to do a big line down, stop on the foot line, jump back up to the hat line, little line across, jump to the bottom, little line across. Let's try it again. Start on the hat line, big line down, stop, jump back up, little line across, jump to the bottom, little line across. Let's try it one more time. Big line down, stop at the foot line, jump back up to the hat line, little line across, jump to the bottom, little line across. Okay, let's see. Which one of these looks most like our example here? It's kind of hard to tell. Maybe this one looks the closest to our example. So we're going to give this one a little star. And then we're going to talk about just a minute how this letter I is also a sight word. When we're reading and writing, if we see an I and it's by itself, it always has a capital letter. It's always an uppercase letter because it always is talking about yourself. It's I. I go to sleep. There's our letter I, but it's also our sight word I. Another way we could use it in a sentence would be as a question. I could say, did I go outside? And this is an asking sentence, so I'll put my asking mark or my question mark. So I is a very important letter, but it is also a sight word when we're reading. All right, guys, have a good evening. See you later.